Okay, today I'm working on the 98 Camry again, and I don't know if you can hear it, but listen. There's this little tapping, clicking. And the other side it doesn't, just this side. So I figured with 190,000 miles, it was due for a replacement. And these, if you can tell right in here, is the bolt. 14 millimeter back there, and you access through one of the holes on the hub. And this one is a 14, it fits perfectly. I'm going to use the air tool. Okay, let's see how easy it is. There's the other one. And then the one down here. There's that one. And then the one over here. Okay, once those bolts are gone, then the spindle should just break free, and mine's just coming right off here, okay? All the way. There we go. Okay, and there we go. I'm going to clean the inside just a little bit. The little brake cleaner, of course. I'm going to clean that all the way inside here. And mine has ABS, so it has that reluctor ring. I was able to... Okay, that looks clean. The part I got was this part right here. Right here. I got it from RockAuto. It's an SKF. You know, so I figured, hey, you know, and the front, this is a complete hub assembly. Okay, it comes with everything you need, and it should just go right in place. It came with the ring. I'm going to clean up the back. It looks like there's a lot of dust from the box. All right, I cleaned the inside, put the new O-ring on that. The old O-ring came off with the old one, so. And then I put a little bit of blue thread locker on that. And then I'm going to start with that first one. And get it to seat all the way. Nice and easy. And then start the bolt. It should just go right in, I would think. Yep. And then tighten it down. Alright, got all the bolts in there. And now I'm going to torque them. A little bit at a time. Okay, next one. This one. That's one. The other one. There we go. Alright, that's it. And we'll do both sides just to be sure, because there's no reason to do just one side, because you know the other side's going to fail soon. So that's it. Put the drum back on, put the wheel back on, and road test it, and you know, you can tell there's no noise coming from this one, okay? So, alright, that's good. Take care. Good luck on your project.